Hello guys, this is Mario Cervantes from Salsa with Silvia. I want to say to all the students, thank you so much for your support this year. Thank you so much for taking my classes, and I hope you have a wonderful Christmas holidays. Thank you so much, and see you next year.
Hey everyone, this is Silvia, owner of the studio, and I want to just say this has been a much better year. I'm so happy that we're finally back to normal. Classes are full, everyone's having fun. We're doing what we're doing best, and that is teaching you how to dance and just basically give you joy and happiness. For the next year, I want to wish you to keep dancing. Dancing is very important and you should make it part of your everyday routine. And just enjoy the holidays and have a wonderful 2023.